Number 2. EdgeStar KC2000SS Full-Size Kegerator. The EdgeStar Full-Size Kegerator might just be your perfect match. Offering full-size keg capacity and a sleek stainless steel finish, this unit provides incredible value. You'll find everything you need here, minus the beer, of course. Setup is a breeze, thanks to the included components, which offer seamless integration for draft beer enjoyment right at home. This is especially beneficial for anyone looking to elevate their home bar setup without breaking the bank. What stands out is its ease of maneuverability. Rolling casters make it simple to move the kegerator around, whether you're positioning it next to your bar cart or wine fridge. No heavy lifting required, just effortless mobility. However, the singular tap might be seen as a limitation compared to other models. But if you don't mind sticking with one type of beer at a time, you'll appreciate the cost savings. As a trade-off, you benefit from a much lower price point, with similar capacity to more expensive models like the Kegco. What I love most about this Kegerator is the balance between function and style. It delivers reliable performance while looking great in any setting. One minor downside is the lack of multiple taps, which could be a deal breaker for some. But for its price, this is a small compromise. The EdgeStar Full-Size Kegerator stands out as the best value kegerator in its class. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.